He's all the way at the top.
Next time you need a rope, are we doing it?
I don't know.
He used the blue and white rope. The response was, no, we don't want to use that nicer rope.
It's kind of fuzzy from here.
They didn't want to use that good a quality of rope just for cutting down the tree because they don't want to cut the rope. They'd rather save it for if they need climbing rope.
Why did they cut the rope?
Well, he's already cut the rope twice.
Accidentally.
Yeah, with the chainsaw.
The rope behind him?
No, the rope he uses to tie the tree branches together, and that's what he needed to do. That's why we get the big crashes sometimes. Are you watching there? What about those big trees?
Which way are we going?
Backwards,
Oregon, right?
like that way. It's just cloudy, it's not dark.
See, that'd be a spot where I think it'd be easy to check the rope.
Yes, and that's why sometimes the rope gets cut.
Now comes the direction. Okay.
I don't want to get brain freeze.
I think it's about to break in half through this.
Slide it off the side.
It's got to be south. We've got the south of him. Else he's going to screw himself up.
Great, God damn it.
You still got some life in there.
That tree?
In that.
Yeah, where he's cutting right.
Yeah.
It's not dead. It's been
Yeah, I think you get good there.
out of gas.
That's
Oh no.
It was dropping so bad.
Maybe that's what he used to start the fire with last night.
What?
I think that's what he used to start the fire with last night.
The gas out of the chainsaw?
Yes.
I didn't even notice
Filled it
that.
before he climbed the tree today.
Yeah, that was a joke. Now, see, I think I would have checked my fuel before I started making my critical cut.
Since tomorrow I don't.
Because that's all, if he could cut it wrong, he could take out the transformer in the back corner of the yard.
absolutely.